This is a visual video. This is my little garden gate with roses all around the gate. And the background is blue like the sky. I didn't know what I wanted to do with this side. Normally I dress it up like the other sides, but I decided I would just do a garden scene. So the underneath, which I never really do, the inside is a dark green. And then you have the light green, which matches up with this. And then you have the sky. So basically you have a little garden on this side. And then on this side, I have one window. I have black and a darker red flowers. And then here I have purple and red. On this side, I have yellow and orange. Then I have a real pretty teal. That's a string. Sometimes and a darker red. And then I have a yellow and orange, which matches this. So I kind of tied those two in because it was on the back side. And then I have my window on the back side of the house. So, and then I did blue here because I wanted it to be the sky. So if you were looking at my house, this would be the side of my house. And then this would be, you know, the sky or, you know, a void spot. And so I really loved how this turned out. I want to do a different kind of gate. I had actually wanted to do an arbor, but I didn't have enough, you know, space here to do an arbor. So I did a gate instead. But I think the next one I want to do some kind of like a little arch, like right here, you know, a little, that's as tall. But I'll go in a little closer so you can see it. And then, like any gate would have black iron. I didn't want to do the outline of the gate in black with black in it because everything's such bright colors. I wasn't sure it would take away from the look. So I'm wishing now I wish I did a dark brown, but I think the black will be okay because now you really know that it is a gate and that it's locked. And for the gate lock, I just did a square and then I'll stitch through the middle. And then I just did, you know, 3 little sets of stitches. So I think it turned out really cute. And I like the way it looks like a little, from here it looks like a little garden. And like I said, I never usually do this bottom because you usually just throw stuff in there. But because of the green theme in the garden, I just decided I would put that there. But I just think it turned out really cute. So if you look at it from this angle, it would look like the sky. And then here's the grass. And then, you know, here's your little garden. So I just thought it would turn out cute. I really like it. Like I said, this is the side of a house. I did one window on the sides. I don't know why. I wish I would have centered it a little bit better, but at the time I was going to put 2 windows, and then I was like, well, it don't need really that many windows, does it? But then I kind of like the fact the window's over to the side a little bit because it separates it from, you know, the garden and the house ends, and I don't know. But hopefully you think it's cute and you like it. I really like it. The windows are the lattice stitch. And then the fence is pretty easy. Now on the fence on this time, if you notice, I do the 2 stitch, then the stitch, and then the 2 stitch again here. But if you notice on this side, I did single 1, 2, 3 stitch, just up and down. And then here I did the straight up and down. And then on this side, the straight up and down. So the only side that I did at a diagonal is the back side. Because I wanted to try a different a section. So this one has the little, see it, the diagonal. I'll hold it still in case you want to screenshot that part. And then I've got this one, if you want to screenshot it, where I just did the up and down. And then I filled in the grass. And I had thought about doing, which I wish I would have done now, is green here, like I did here, and then put these little pink roses. So I think I wish I would have done green here and then added a few little pink roses around. So when you look at it, I thought, well, you can have roses in the sky. So I don't know. Maybe I could have done it up the sides here on the four corners, went up green, and then added some little flowers so it looks like, you know, a vine. So that's pretty much what you could do with it. But so there's a few little ideas and tips and suggestions. So I appreciate you taking the time to stop by and watch my videos. I hope this inspires you to come up with some really cute crafty ideas. It's basically, I did the gates on the outside. That's how I determined the gate size, is I knew that I could get away with this many, this many. So I figured I'd do this, and then this, I used my fingers. I was like, okay, I'll do this one. That's too wide of a gate. I'll do this one. That's perfect. So I was like, okay, well, when I get done with these two, I will make this my gate. And so that's what I did. So I did this one, and then I did this one, and then that's how I made my gate. So I just left one stitch on this side and this side, and then I did the white stitch, and that's how I came up with the gate idea, so that it looks like a gate. It's attached to the fence on this side, and then the latch locks on that side. So I didn't put much space, just one row in between the gate and the fence, so that it looks like it's locked. Well, with that being said, I hope you have a wonderful day, a blessed day. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and give a thumbs up. I really enjoy doing tutorials, and I also enjoy doing visual videos because I hope that it inspires you to come up with your own crafty creations with plastic canvas. So, oh, and the lid, I just did plain. Sorry, forgot about the lid. I did opposite ways, so it gives the lid dimensions. So I just did opposite direction. See, if you turn it this way, it looks like different dimension. See how it matches? See how this one's dark, 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 and then this one's dark, dark. So it kind of gives it, see, you can kind of tell what I'm talking about. It gives the dark on the sides and the dark on the top. So I just did, and then I did a light cream brown for the center to kind of lighten it up a little bit since it's so much brown. I thought about doing red and black brick, and then maybe even doing a red and black brick chimney right here. Just a little chimney here. But I didn't. I mean, this one's just my first prototype with the little gate and everything. So, thanks for watching.